Is Webflow better than WordPress? When comparing Webflow and WordPress, it's important to consider the advantages and disadvantages of both platforms for your project. Webflow is an excellent choice if you want to create a website quickly and easily, with no coding knowledge required. It offers a drag-and-drop interface that makes designing a website much simpler than with WordPress. Additionally, Webflow provides hosting, so you don't have to worry about finding another provider or dealing with server management tasks. On the other hand, WordPress is a great option if you need more customization options or if you plan on expanding your website over time. It offers thousands of plugins and themes that can help you customize your site in any way imaginable. However, it does require some technical knowledge in order to use the platform effectively. Ultimately, it depends on your needs and skills which platform is better for you, Webflow or WordPress. Webflow versus WordPress. What's the difference? Webflow and WordPress are two of the most popular website development platforms, but they have very different functions. Webflow is a visual editor that allows for creative control, enabling you to create custom websites without having to code. WordPress is an open-source content management system, CMS, that allows users to easily develop complex sites with blog posts, pages, and plugins. Webflow offers a more intuitive user experience compared to WordPress, with its drag-and-drop interface allowing users to quickly build and design sites with ease. On the other hand, WordPress provides more flexibility and customization options with its vast library of plugins and themes, as well as its strong support from the community. Furthermore, WordPress offers greater scalability in terms of hosting and security features, which makes it a great choice for larger businesses. Ultimately, both tools offer great features and are suitable for different types of web projects, so it's important to consider your specific needs before deciding which one to use. Webflow versus WordPress. Which one is the best for SEO? When it comes to SEO, there is often a debate between Webflow and WordPress. Both are great for SEO, but each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Webflow offers a more intuitive interface that allows you to quickly and easily build custom websites with drag-and-drop tools. The platform also provides comprehensive integration options for analytics and marketing tools, which is essential for any successful SEO strategy. On the other hand, WordPress offers a wide variety of plugins and themes that make it easier to customize websites to meet specific SEO needs. Ultimately, both Webflow and WordPress are highly effective for SEO purposes. However, it really depends on your individual needs as to which one will be best for your website. Webflow versus WordPress. Which one is easier to use? When it comes to choosing between Webflow and WordPress for website creation, the decision may come down to which is easier to use. While both offer plenty of features, Webflow stands out for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface that allows users to build custom websites without knowing any code. This makes it much easier for non-technical users to quickly create stunning designs with minimal effort. On the other hand, WordPress offers a strong set of features but requires a bit more technical knowledge in order to use them properly. Still, with lots of tutorials and helpful documentation available online, WordPress is still an excellent choice for those who have the time and patience to learn how to use it. Ultimately, whether you choose Webflow or WordPress will depend on your skill level and the type of site you are building. Webflow versus WordPress. Which one is better for a small business website? When it comes to small business websites, Webflow and WordPress are two of the most popular choices. While both offer a variety of features and advantages, there are some key differences between them. Webflow is designed for users who have no coding experience and prefer to use a visual editor to create their website. It also offers a wide range of templates and plugins that can be used to customize your site. WordPress, on the other hand, requires more technical knowledge in order to build a functional website but provides an extensive library of plugins and themes that make website customization much easier. Ultimately, which platform works best for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Both offer great features that enable small businesses to create successful websites with ease, so consider your options carefully before making a decision. Which one is the best for e-commerce, Webflow or WordPress? When it comes to e-commerce, the debate of which platform is best, Webflow or WordPress, has been ongoing for years. Both platforms have their own strengths and weaknesses, so ultimately it will come down to your individual needs as a business owner. Webflow is a great choice if you're looking for an easy-to-use platform with intuitive design capabilities and a wide range of features. You can also create custom designs using HTML and CSS. On the other hand, WordPress is better suited for businesses that require more extensive customization options, such as plugins and themes, as well as scalability. It also offers a large library of free themes and plugins that can be used to extend the functionality of your website. Ultimately, the decision of which platform is best will depend on your specific needs as a business owner. Both platforms are solid choices for e-commerce solutions. Webflow versus WordPress. Which should you choose? When deciding between Webflow and WordPress, there are a few things to consider. Webflow is a great option for those who have limited coding knowledge, as it is a visual website builder with drag-and-drop functionality. It also offers great design capabilities and plenty of templates to choose from. WordPress, on the other hand, requires more technical knowledge and understanding of coding principles. However, it provides more customization options and access to powerful plugins that can add additional features and functionality to your site. Ultimately, which platform you choose largely depends on your needs and experience level. If you're looking for an easy way to create a basic website without any coding experience, then Webflow may be your best bet. But if you are looking for more advanced options, then WordPress is definitely the better choice.